Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage button functions in INKBOOK Classic 2. To do this, we'll need to click on the gear icon in the top left corner of the screen, then move to the Change Button Functions. And inside we can switch these buttons, so we can move to previous page on this one or any different option, like refresh screen. Here we're gonna go with volume down, volume up, and on off touch panel. Click on save, and your buttons should change to whichever one you pick. It will also reboot your INKBOOK Classic 2. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.